Take a ride in the 2013 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.